How to activate Roku TV. Now, activation of your Roku TV is just around the corners, so you just have to follow along so that you will not encounter any problems in the future. So first things first is make sure that your Roku TV is connected to your internet. Select setup for home use if you're using your Roku device at home, and then choose your setup new wireless connection, and then make sure that it is connected to the same IP or on a wireless connection. Next thing that you will do is to visit the Roku.com's official site for you to create an account. You can also activate it with using a QR code. Now in this process is you can use either your mobile phone or your laptop or PC. Now just input everything here, just add your email address, your first name, last name, and password, and as well as your birth date. Now, once you have successfully created an account, it will automatically be set it up as completed, and you will receive an email including the activation link. So just simply access it and click on activate device, and take note that you need to activate it within 30 minutes, because if 30 minutes have passed, then the link or the activation link does not work anymore as it expires. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can activate your Roku TV.